In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a 404 page in Squarespace. Whether you're creating a custom page for the first time or needing a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes, ensuring that lost visitors can easily find their way back to useful content on your site. First, we'll begin by navigating to Squarespace. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once there, simply click on Get Started to jump into the process. This will lead you to the main dashboard where all the magic happens. Within the dashboard, the next step is to direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Look for the option that says Website and hover over it, then click on Pages. This is where all the pages of your site are organized, including our soon-to-be-created 404 error page. Before we can edit a 404 page, the crucial point to note is that we must first create one. This might seem a little counterintuitive, but hang in there. It's pretty straightforward. You'll see a plus sign at the top or bottom of your pages list. Click on this plus sign to initiate the creation of a new page. Naming your page is the next key step. It's usually best to go with something simple yet descriptive like 404 not found or custom 404. This naming helps you easily identify this page in the future, ensuring you can make further tweaks as necessary without any confusion. Now it's time to add content to this new page, the heart of your custom 404 page. Consider including a friendly, clear message that informs users the page they were looking for was not found. Beyond that, it's beneficial to provide links that redirect users back to vital parts of your site, such as the home page, a search page, or sections that might be of particular interest. Incorporating a search bar can be an effective option to help guide your visitors precisely to what they're seeking. Be sure not to forget your brand's identity. Include elements like your logo or use your typical color scheme to make the page feel like a cohesive part of your site. Once you're satisfied with the content and design, don't overlook the importance of saving your work. Simply click the Save button to ensure all your efforts are not lost. And there you have it, a concise, easy-to-follow tutorial to customize your 404 page within Squarespace. By making this page user-friendly and aligned with your brand, you'll enhance the overall user experience of your site, even when visitors hit a roadblock. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.